You attacked Pakistan and you told our pilots, do not attack their air defense system. Meaning you told our pilots, go and attack and face the air defense system of Pakistan. Meaning you tied their hands behind their back. Right? And the defense minister has said this in Parliament House itself, that we told the Pakistanis that we are not going to attack their infrastructure. इन्होंने बोला publicly house में कि भैया हम आपके जो मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, आपके एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम को हम नहीं अटैक करेंगे, और दूसरे साइड से आप हमारे पायलट भेज रहे हो, क्या होगा? माननीय हवाई जहाज गिरेंगे, राइट? So the point is, aircraft were lost. As this gentleman Shiv Kumar says, they were lost because of the constraint given by the political leadership to not attack the military and air defense infrastructure of the Pakistan. मतलब आपने शुरू किया और शुरुआत में ही आपने उनको कह दिया कि भैया हमारे पास ना पॉलिटिकल विल है और ना हम आपके मिलिट्री इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर अटैक करेंगे, और फिर आपने हमारे पायलट से कहा जाके लड़ाई करिए, और नतीजा सारों को मालूम है। आप जवाब नहीं देना चाहते हो, मगर नतीजा सारों को मालूम है। अनिल चौहान जी कहते हैं, what was important was not the jet being down, but why they were being down. मतलब वो कह रहे हैं कि जरूरी सवाल यह है कि जेट गिरे क्यों। वो कह रहे गिरे तो ठीक है, मगर जरूरी सवाल है गिरे क्यों। और फिर उसके बाद कहते हैं what mistakes were made. The good part is we were able to understand the tactical mistake which we made, remedy, rectify and implement after 2 days. And we flew all our jets again, targeting at long range. I want to tell CDS Anil Chauhan ji that you made no tactical mistake. The Indian Air Force made no mistake. Yes. The mistake was made by the political leadership that said you cannot attack the military infrastructure. And Anil Chauhan ji must have the guts to say this. That my hands were tied behind my back and I was sent into a war, and my enemy was told by my own government that we will not attack your air defense system. So the Air Force is not to blame at all. In the 21st century, you send aircraft into a zone protected by air defense, they will come down. Now why? Why was the Pakistani government told at 1:35 that हम ना आपके इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को अटैक करेंगे, ना आपके एयर डिफेंस को अटैक करेंगे, और हम एस्केलेशन नहीं चाहते? मतलब हमने आपको थप्पड़ मारा है मगर दूसरा थप्पड़ नहीं मारेंगे. That is what it means. When we say we don't want escalation, it means मैंने एक थप्पड़ मारा, दूसरा नहीं मारूंगा, तीसरा नहीं मारूंगा, चौथा नहीं मारूंगा. Why? Because the goal of this exercise was to protect the Prime Minister's image. Yes. The goal of the exercise, because he has the blood of the people of Pahalgam on his hands, the goal of the exercise was to make sure that he used the Air Force to protect his image. Yes. After that, Donald Trump has said 29 times. 29 times he said, 29 बार उन्होंने बोला कि भैया मैंने सीज फायर करवाया. अच्छा, अगर वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं तो अपने भाषण में यहां प्रधानमंत्री कह दें कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं. यहां पे अगर दम है तो यहां पे प्रधानमंत्री बोल दे कि ट्रंप झूठ बोल रहे हैं. If he has the courage if he has the courage of Indira Gandhi, let him say here, let him say here that Donald Trump, you're a liar. That you did not make us cease fire and that we did not lose any planes. Let him say it here. If he has the courage. 50% भी है इंदिरा गांधी का तो यहां बोल दे, 50% होगा तो बोल देगा, बोल देंगे. सॉरी सर, एक साइड से 7th फ्लीट आ रही है, बोलने दीजिए सर. सर मजा आ रहा है.
ऐसा नहीं
सर. अभी तो मैंने ओपनिंग नहीं किया सर.
आपका समय
अभी तो मैं सेट हो रहा हूं.
समय आपका कम.
अभी सेट हो रहा हूं सर, थोड़ी ढील दीजिए. अगर दम है, अगर सचमुच में दम है, तो आज शाम यहां प्रधानमंत्री को कह देना चाहिए डोनाल्ड ट्रंप इज अ लायर. झूठ बोल रहा है डोनाल्ड ट्रंप. सर, एक नई चीज चली है, एक नया शब्द चला है, न्यू नॉर्मल. कि न्यू नॉर्मल है. एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर नहीं है, बट वो यूज करते हैं. भाषण में उन्होंने कहा कि सारे के सारे देशों ने टेररिज्म को कंडेम किया है. एब्सोल्युटली 100% करेक्ट. मगर उन्होंने यह नहीं बताया कि पहलगाम के बाद एक भी देश ने पाकिस्तान को नहीं कंडेम किया है. Not a single country has condemned Pakistan. Everybody has condemned terrorism. What does it mean? That the world is equating us with Pakistan. Earlier, when the UPA government was there, it was very clear Pakistan is promoting terrorism. And they used to condemn Pakistan for promoting terrorism. Now, not a single country has condemned. Acha, very interesting, another fact. I mean, sometimes this external affairs minister amazes me. चौंक जाता हूं मैं. He says that now even defense minister, we have deterred Pakistan. Acha, you have deterred Pakistan? Fine. The man behind Pahalgam is a Pakistani general called General Munir, Chief of Army Staff. That man is having lunch with the President of the United States. He is sitting there. Our Prime Minister cannot go there. Mr. Trump is breaking all protocol, and he's inviting the man who has done terrorism in India to have lunch with him. Prime Minister hasn't said anything. Prime Minister has not said, how dare Mr. Trump invite Mr. Munir to his office.
माननीय सदस्य, इसको माननीय सदस्य,
now let me say what Donald Trump has to say.
माननीय सदस्य, ये सदन की संपत्ति है, इसको मत तोड़ो.
सॉरी सर, गलती हो गई. Now we have, according to this government, they have deterred Pakistan, and the mastermind of the whole operation is having lunch with the president. Mastermind. After that, the President of the United States says, reason I had him here was I wanted to thank him. I wanted to thank him for what? I wanted to thank him for not going into the war and ending it. Let me repeat it. The reason I had him here for lunch was I wanted to thank him, the man who carried out